thunderstorm, it lifts my heart, it lifts the curse. A lightning bolt declaring war between heaven and earth. I sit on my porch and reflect on things you said. A thunderstorm and my brave dogs are hiding underneath my bed. Someday I can be the rain. You're feeling me falling down. Someday I can be the cloud. Turn off my TV, 5-day forecast make me laugh. My window's calling for a storm right now. When it comes to pass, rain warps my crown, it warps my throne, and I'm alone. I'll race outside and kick off my shoes and declare this storm was my own. Someday I could be the ground. I'm the farthest thing from high. Someday I could be the sky. Ever wonder what it's like to be me? It's complicated to a certain degree. I wake up and pass a little time between the trees. I'll catch a glimpse of the real world between the drops of rain. Repeat my actions, the results surprise me. That's 'cause I'm insane. If I could sit and listen to the storm, I'd listen all night long. Sit on my porch and meditate, or I'll write a brand new song. Someday I could be a leaf. I'm trembling on the weakest limb. Someday I could be the wind. Someday I could be the ground. I'm the farthest thing from high. Someday I could be the sky. Someday I could be the rain. You're feeling me falling down. Someday I could be the cloud.